Hello everybody, I've come to show you the flip through of the Wintertide journal. I didn't have time yesterday or the day before, because the day before yesterday was my birthday, and yesterday I went to the dentist. So I just noticed, sorry, that this needs to be just a little bit closer. Come on. There we go. There we go. That's meeting now. So the only thing I put a dangle on. I haven't done much more. I put this with Wintertide in. I don't know whether you can see that. Yeah. I don't know. I heat embossed it. Okay. There, and this is just, this is one of the, I think these are Tim Holtz. I'm not sure. I haven't got the packet, but I've got those. And just a bit of like vintage type shell jewellery, which was nice colour that suited it. And I heat embossed one of those from the circles from the kit. Oh, sorry. There we go, a little rabbit. Okay, just put a bit of lace and a key and another one of those shell things on that. And then just a bit of the stuff that's everywhere and a bit of jute string. Just attach that, looped it through like you do with a tag on there. So you saw me do the front cover. Okay, that's that. And then I grunged up a little bit of this, just a bit, and it's the inside cover. Again, I think you saw me do this. This, I just popped this in. It's my new stamp. I done this one, so I just popped it in because I thought I liked it. And I like the stamp. Yeah, just done that one. It's here somewhere, I think. There we go. Okay, it's really funny because I imported this bit, and usually I'll do the same as that on the front of these, but I didn't bring that file with me in the studio, so I just printed it, just printed it normal. So this says vintage, so I know it's the right way up. That's all. Mounted that onto some acrylic, and that's that stamp there. And there. It's just like little, they've all been tea stained at the back. Everything, kept them quite simple. And there's a big one there. And then that's one of the round embellishments there as well, and a ticket. So sit in there. And that's that like fabric stuff that's made out of wool. Absolutely brilliant for this journal. So I've still got a bit left, thank gosh. That's there. And I changed that one because I didn't like the colour of the tag that was there. So I've done some from the paper kits and just, cut a tag out and then put one of those on. Back, tea stained back. Let's put some lines on. And there's all little, in the envelopes, there's little, just journaling cards. The ones that I shrunk down, this size. So I won't get them out, but they're that size. And there. That was when I'd done 2 to a page for that. And then the envelopes, I'd done 2 to a page. So I got them small. Because the big envelopes were a little bit too big for the TN. And just a bit of the receipt. That's on Buy Me a Coffee as a freebie. So it's bigger than that, but I just tore a bit off. And this is a flip out, so a sort of an extra page I put in. Creates a pocket here, okay, and then you just fold it. You just fold the page over and then stick it in there, and it creates a nice pocket there. And this is just like a little notebook. That was the receipt. That's a freebie, but I put a napkin over the top of like trees and things. I think it's actually, that was the napkins I had on Christmas Day on my table. Wasn't those, that's That's a clean one. Just gonna say, I haven't reused the ones we used. That would be a bit not very nice. Just thought then, no, it's not that. There's a new one. And there's a little receipt there. And I've also added some little snippets of, you know, words and things. That's off a vintage necklace. So I thought that looks nice, that colour. It's brilliant. It's perfect colour for this. And you saw me do that, the video on that. Yeah, just journaling card there. That's from the line page. You know, that's why I incorporate these line pages, because they can be cut down and made into tags and popped in the page. They're brilliant. Someone did say, oh, why do you put line pages in? And I went, well, when you don't, you actually need them, because they're great for backing your journaling cards. They're great for pages, you know, and people do actually write in their journals. So I can't do, I mean, she said about having another kit, you know, with just line pages, but I only want one or two. So I will continue to add line pages into my kits. Even though, you know, I'm not a writer, but I know a lot of you are. And here, just some words there, a bit of washi tape and some stamping, just to add a bit to the page, but that can all be written over there. And then here's the paper clips made out of that wool. Okay, so they can be moved anywhere at all. And then that's, most of the tags have been stamped on the back. Clear blue sky. Another little snippet there. And these tags, you know, all it is a page folded over, and if it's upside down and looks a bit odd, then just put an embellishment on to cover it. But that doesn't really make sense. I can't see that that's upside down. It just looks like a pattern, so we're all right there. That's one of the tags saw me do. There's another tag there, and that's one of the plainish ones, and I just added that on the top there. You can see that. It's that's all I've done there. And that's in the kit as well. There's a vellum pocket there, and this is an envelope. Okay. There's just a little journaling card in. Okay, and I added that there because I thought that looked nice. It just fits in that pocket great. So that was good, shrinking them down, and just put a bit of a snippet there. Another paper clip. And that's the tall envelope that comes with the kit, and just put that on the top for a bit of texture. There's a card in there as well. There's another little snippet, and I just added winter on that one. Saw me do that. Yeah. And then this is just a bit of a receipt that I just made into just a journaling card. Yeah. Oh, I think this one's opens out actually. Yeah. Yeah, that's the centre of the signature. And just put some sort of quite sparkly. Oh, I meant to say this wallpaper, I don't know whether you can see, it's a little bit sparkly. Not too much, just a little bit. I don't know whether you can see it, but it is. It's very, very slight, but it's really lovely for these sort of journals. I've actually got 2 rolls of it. Gosh, I don't think I'll ever use it all. And this is just, that's the receipt there. That is a paper clip here. And then just back that again. That's just one side of the receipt. Because I think I've done a TN size and a normal size, but this is just cut down and so that it fits. It's just the right colours. So brown paper, as you can see. And this one has just got journaling card there. This opens out, so it's a bit longer than just backed. A little bit of a sort of cluster type thing going on there with some words. Tag there, and that's the receipt again. Putting journal and then flipped over, tore an edge, and then that is paper clip. And I put one of the circle embellishments in there. Large tag. Didn't do much to these tags because you know they are very beautiful, those birds, and you know it's actually, I want you to see them, where this one is different because I've just used that little bit, and then you know, which you can do. And that's so when we do that tag, that's all embossed washi tape. Yeah, and I'll just put a little snippet down on that one. Yeah, I think that was because you could actually see that was upside down, so I've put that there. And there's that one there. And some more words. A nice journaling card there. Another paper clip. Like I said, these can be moved everywhere and wherever. In the depths of winter, right up there. That's just I print on washi tape. These words are on my website actually, because it's like an earlier one. I've done it quite a few years ago, and you just print it out onto vellum. There's a video out there somewhere. What I do, I print it out print it out onto vellum or tracing paper, and then I put strips of double-sided sticky tape on the top, on the back, and cut it out what words I want, and then they'll just see through, so they can go anywhere really. And if you want them to stand out like on a tag or anything, well, you know, stick that onto a piece of card, and then, which I've done somewhere, but I can't remember where I've done that. It might be at the back. Yeah, I think it is. That's just I think you saw me do that. Is that the little envelope that was left, and that was the little bit that was left, so I made another sort of tuck spot in there. And then just stuck it in so that it created a tuck spot behind it. And I think it was, I just added a bit of the blue washi tape over on this one, because I think I left that plain and then done it to match where it went. There's another one there. There's a large tag there. I think that was from the actual, one of the pages, TN pages that I didn't use. And then put down that down there, which each snowflake holds a story. There, in the bleak midwinter. This coffee staining is brilliant. And then that was there, and then this is a flip. Oh, I didn't, why did I put that in there? I don't need that there, do I? That's right, sorry. That's a flip there. I don't know why I thought I needed that, so if I want that in here, I'll just put that up there. Just interfering with the flip a bit. There we go. Just thought I needed something up there, so there we go. Then that's a tag I've done for that one. That's just I cut down a tag or a journaling card, I can't remember, and then just made that shape. Oh, from that was the toppers I made recently. Done the same, you know, and then put that on the top. So I used exactly the same thing and cut it down. So that goes in there, that shaped top. Yeah, I couldn't fit that in here. It was too big, so I thought, well, I'll do that instead. I don't know where they went. I'll have to find them, actually. There we go. And the pocket there, and journaling cards on the back. A little snippet on there. Again, this is the extra page Yeah. So again, it's a page folded up, and then that's makes a tuck. You stick it in there and there, and then it makes a nice tuck spot there. And it's just an extra page. And that's there, and this is the back. And there's also a pocket in here, and that's where I mounted, because you couldn't see these ones. They got lost on the paper, so I just mounted them onto white card and then put them there. And then this with a German card in there. Okay. Oh, and again, because that you notice that looked a bit upside down, I just put a little bit of a snippet in there. Yep. There we go. And that is the back. Oh, I've got to put my name in it. Yeah, so then that's the back. Okay, all done. On to the next project now. Like I said, I'm doing bugs. I might do something to do with Valentine's, but it's going to be most probably a card or a little bit of mixed media, something like that. It's not going to be a sort of a love journal or anything like that. The journal I'm doing is the bug one. I'm going to do that because I want to play with some mixed media and different things like that, so I can go to town with that, and that's what I feel like I want to do. Okay, not really spring-like, but you know, hey ho, bugs are around in spring. Bugs are around every year, all year round. So okay, well, thank you very much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the flip through, and I'll speak to you all very soon. Bye bye.